Hello, Traverse citizens! I'm Caitlin Watkins of Grand Traverse Reiki, here to talk to you about the solar plexus chakra and things you can do at home to get it in balance and keep it in balance. The solar plexus, or yellow chakra, deals with our sense of personal power, momentum, and self-esteem. It governs the upper abdomen, stomach, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, intestines, and spleen. When out of balance, we may see a lack of clear direction, obsessing over minute details, irresponsibility, feeling helpless, misusing power, or making plans without being able to realize them. When in balance, we see clear expression of will, personal power, and ability to turn ideas into reality and wisdom. Every gritty American crime novel knows about the solar plexus chakra. There's something about that dame I just don't trust. Exactly. The solar plexus chakra is about following your gut instinct. That's what we're talking about right here. So this has to do with feelings of doubt or feelings of decisiveness, depending on whether it's out of balance or in balance. It's all housed right here. This is also a place where nervousness resides. We talk about butterflies in the stomach. On an innate level, we understand what's going on in this part of our body, even though we don't mentally know what's going on. This is the part of our body that tells us yes, no. This is reflected in the vowel sound that we're making. For those of you who have watched these other videos, you'll recognize that the root vowel was that sense of getting rooted into the ground, feeling that sense of foundation down. That the sacral chakra was ooh, as we're talking about feeling things, that's what that ooh sound is. These are things that we can do body-wise while we're down. We don't want to, we want good posture as we're doing all these. But when we get to the solar plexus chakra, it's this oh sound. You feel it wanting to open this area. That's good. It's hard to make yourself go, oh, unless, or if you do, it sounds, oh, like you're ill. So as with all the vowel mantras, we'll sit up straight. Think of this as sort of a bridge area between the part of yourself that just has to do with yourself, how you are communicating with your environment, how you are communicating with yourself, how you are feeling, how you are, with coming up to areas where you are then interacting with other people in the world. So heart chakra, throat chakra, all of this communication going on. Of course, we get up here and it's more about your connection with the universe. So this is just you. This is you and other people. This is you and the universe at large. And right in here is bridging the gap between these two spaces. So this is you, your sense of who you are and what you know to be true, what you think, what you feel, and how that plays out into the world. This is you giving this out here. So this should really have a feel of out, of a stream of light going forward. This is forward motion, this is decisiveness. If you're trying to get better in business, this is the chakra for you to be working on. Boom, boom, boom. Decisiveness, getting things done, moving forward. Right here. So that should be in your body while you're doing this mantra. You should be thinking not just about going, oh, but thinking, oh. You are extending yourself out into the world. It's a lovely thing. We begin seated with our knees bent and our spine straight. Lean back onto our hands. Be sure to feel the space under our rib cage. Feel that energy extending forward. And when you're ready, point your toes and bring your legs up with your shins parallel to the ground. Bring your arms to match. More advanced students can straighten their legs if they so desire, but remember to keep your spine straight
and that sense of space under the rib cage with energy extending outward. When you've completed the pose, you can bend your knees and come back to a seated position.
Foods that support the solar plexus chakra are foods that are yellow and whole wheat. Wait, what? That can't be right. It's good when we're working on any of the chakras to have that visual feast of whatever that color is. It's particularly important with the solar plexus chakra to look at yellow. So that's why we are eating more yellow foods. Today, we're going to make not bananas, not yellow dal. We could do all of those things. We're going to make a poached egg, something that a lot of people don't know how to do well. So one of the key secrets for a good poached egg is white vinegar. You do not need a bottle this large, but I use a lot of it, so I buy it in bulk. Gonna need a slotted spoon. You're going to need very, very, very fresh eggs. Find the freshest eggs in the grocery store that you can find. If you can take one right out of a chicken, do that. It will help it keep together. And you're gonna need a kitchen towel. So we have a boiling pot of water. We're gonna take a slotted spoon and stir it in a circle, going one direction. We want the water to keep swirling after we remove the spoon. We'll get our egg ready. Still swirling. Dump the egg in there. The reason why we swirl is to help keep that egg all together while it cooks. We're gonna start our timer. I'll see you in 2 minutes. It has been 2 minutes. I've taken the egg off the stove. You'll see that it stayed together nicely. But with my slotted spoon, I'll pick it up and just place it here. We've got the runny egg coming out. Just to get some of the excess water off, I'm gonna flip it over onto my whole wheat toast. Woo! And there we have a beautiful, yolky, yellowy, messy bit of solar plexus chakra goodness. Thanks for watching. For more help getting your chakras into balance and keeping them there, be sure to book an appointment with me online at gtreiki.com. Oh. You don't have to go. Oh.